Hello guys, welcome back to Morningstar. In this video, I'll be discussing about a stock that looks promising for the upcoming week. As always, towards the top left corner of the screen, you'll be able to see the name of the stock is PTC India Limited. Previously, I had posted a video about the stock on how we booked something close to 20% in 20 days in this particular stock. If you have not seen that video yet, please go and watch it. And I explained the logic behind the trade that made us enter the stock at that point and also the exit as well. Now, this stock looks promising for the upcoming week. Why I'm saying that is because it has given a breakout from a particular resistance that acted as a very good resistance previously. You can see here this line 81 rupees and 40 paise line was broken, right? When did it happen? On the 17th of March it happened. Prices were unable to sustain above and the price dropped back again, right? So this looks interesting because now if the price of the stock is able to close above this resistance line, right? If the price is able to close above this resistance line with good volume or with a good proper bullish candle that you can see, what will happen is the stock will take a minor pullback or a retrace, and then you can enter somewhere here. All right, when you'll switch over to you won't enter with the day time frame, you'll switch over to the 1 hour time frame, and then it's already giving a breakout in the 1 hour time frame. So what you'll do is after the breakout in the day time frame, you'll wait for a pullback. After the pullback, you'll look for bullish signs like this, a candle like this with a significant wick at the bottom, or a proper bullish candle, something like this, right? This candle, and then you'll enter. Now, where do you plan your exit? People have told me that entry seems pretty much okay for them now. It's planning the exit that matters, right? So what I would say is, this stock, I have already drawn the exit line here. If you scroll back a bit, you'll be able to see this particular horizontal line that I've drawn, right? This line here could be a good resistance. If the stock gives a breakout from this 81.4 rupees resistance line, this line at 93 rupees and 20 paise seems like a good resistance, because why? It was tested multiple times, right? You can see that somewhere around that, okay, it's not exactly strict 93 rupees and 20 paise line. Somewhere around here the stock looks like it will face resistance again. So what are you supposed to do? I'll explain how we exited the stock here when it touched the 81 rupees and 40 paise line. If you switch over to the 1 hour time frame, right, you can see here we entered somewhere around here during the pullback, and it was already a preset target, right? In the previous video, like on the same video that I have posted on PTC, I explained the logic behind the setting 81 rupees and 40 paise at the target. What happened is the price touched here. In the 1 hour time frame, there was significant sell off at this point, right, somewhere at 78 rupees, and that is where we came out. So if the 1 hour time frame candle is showing some sort of a bearish momentum, you exit the trade. Okay, don't think much, you just exit the trade, and when it is showing a bullishness back again, you'll be able to enter it again, no issues at all, right? So that is how you exit. So this is for the particular entry that we are discussing about right now, 92 rupees. So somewhere around 93 rupees seems like a reasonable exit. So even if you enter after the pullback somewhere around here, you'll be able to book 13% with this stock, which is really good returns doing swing trading. Now if you scroll back out a bit, if that resistance, it is not a strong resistance, right guys, once it was tested here, here, and on the second time, multiple times it was tested, but it was it was during a time period from the 27, somewhere around 2018 December to January 2019. If it gets broken, and I believe the stock has the potential to break that resistance, now you'll be able to plan your second exit target as this this horizontal line, which is marked at 97 rupees, somewhere around 98 rupees, right? Why do I say that? If you go back a bit, you'll be able to see that the stock has faced multiple rejections here at this horizontal line. This is a line that I've drawn. Okay, you'll be able to draw this the same on your chart as well. You can write it in then. provided the stock breaks the first resistance pretty easily. Even if you enter somewhere here, around here, the stock can give you a return of something close to 20%. So that is why the stock looks promising to me. It will be in our radar, and we'll be watching it closely. Now, fundamentally, if you look at this stock, talking fundamentally, this stock looks very promising. Why do I say that? The PE ratio of this stock is 1/7 of the industry PE ratio. Right, it's the price earnings ratio. It is 1/7 the value of the industry PE. You'll be able to check these details online. Okay, there's a website called screener.in. Just enter the name of the stock there. You'll be able to compare the PE ratio with the industry standards, and the PB ratio is half that of the industry PB. And the return on capital employed and the return on equity seems a bit low, but other than that, the stock looks pretty much fundamentally strong as well, guys. So keep this in your watch list. And if you feel convinced enough, the conviction is entirely yours. If you feel convinced enough, you can enter this trade. This is not a stock recommendation or a call of any kind. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting more videos in this channel. Thank you.